So a plus b is equal to 10. So b plus c is equal to 12. So c plus a is equal to 18. Then find the value of a plus b plus c. So ఇక్కడ మనకి చూడండి, b 2 times వచ్చింది, a 2 times వచ్చింది, c 2 times వచ్చింది. అంటే టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 2 times of a plus b plus c. So this value is equal to this sum. So 30 plus 10, 40. So a plus b plus c is equal to 40 by 2. So value is 20. సో ఇదంతా చేయకుండా మనం షార్ట్ కట్ ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ యాడ్ చేసి ఇందులో ఆఫ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే ఎగ్జామ్లో మళ్ళీ ఇది 2 times ఇదంతా తీసుకోకుండా ఇవన్నీ వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ యాడ్ చేసి ఇది ఆఫ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే 30 ప్లస్ 10, 40 by 2. ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి వాల్యూ ఎంత? 20. సో ఏ ప్లస్ బి, బి ప్లస్ సి అండ్ సి ప్లస్ ఏ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ ఏ వర్క్ ఇన్ 12, 15 and 20 days respectively. In how much time they work together complete the whole work? Sir, a plus b complete the work in 12 days. B plus c complete the work in 15 days. C plus a complete the work in 20 days. So it LCM ఏమవుతుంది? 12, 15, 20 LCM is 60. ఇక్కడ a plus b 1 day work is 5. So b plus c 1 day work is 4. C plus a 1 day work is 3. Here a plus b plus c. సో సమ్ చేసి ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. సో 9, 12 by 2 అంటే వాల్యూ ఎంత? 6. సో హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ దే టుగెదర్ కంప్లీట్ ద హోల్ వర్క్? సో టోటల్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ 60. A plus b plus c 1 day work is by 6. So value is 10 days. So a plus b, b plus c and c plus a can complete a work in 10, 12 and 20 days respectively. In how much time they alone complete the whole work? So here a plus b work for 10 days. So b plus c work for 12 days. C plus a work for 20 days. So the LCM is 60. So a plus b 1 day work is plus 6. B plus c 1 day work is plus 5. So C plus a 1 day work is plus 3. Here a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. ఇవన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేసి ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. సో 8 plus 6, 14 by 2. సో వాల్యూ ఇస్ 7. సో ఇన్ హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ దే ఎలోన్ కంప్లీట్ ద వర్క్? సో ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి 7 units అయితే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఎంత? సో ఏ ప్లస్ బి 6 units అయితే సో సి ఈజ్ 1. సో సి ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈజ్ 1. So 60 total work is 60. So efficiency is 1. So C complete the work in 60 days. Sir, A plus B plus C is 7. So B plus C is 5 units. So B plus C is 5 units. That means A value is 2. So A efficiency is 2. So A complete the total work is 60. Efficiency is 2. 60 by 2. So C complete the work in 30 days. Here A plus B plus C is 7. A plus B plus C is equal to 7. So C plus A value is 3 units. So A C value is 3 units. So B value is 4 units. So B efficiency is 4. So total work is 60 by 4. So value is 15 days. So A plus B, B plus C and C plus A can complete a work in 12, 8 and 10 days respectively. In how much time they alone complete the whole work? So A plus B is 12 days. So B plus C is 8 days. So C plus A is 10 days. So the LCM is 120. So A plus B one day work is plus 10, B plus C one day work is plus 15. So C plus A one day work is plus 12. Here A plus B plus C values 10 plus 15 plus 12 by 2. So 37 by 2. So value of C. Here A plus B is 10. So here A plus B is 10. And C value is 37 by 2 minus 37 by 2 minus 10. So value is 37 minus 20 by 2. So value is 17 by 2. So here the C efficiency is 17 by 2. So C complete the total work is 120 by 17 by 2. So value is 240 by 17 days. Next here B plus C. B plus C value is 15. Sir A value is 37 by 2 minus 15. So 37 minus 37 by 2. Sir A efficiency is 7 by 2. So total work is 120 by 7 by 2. So value is 240 by 7 days. See the B. C plus A is 12 units. So 37 by 2 minus 12. So 24, 13 by 2. So B total work is 120 by, so efficiency is 13 by 2. So value is 240 by 13 days. A, B and C can do any work in 6 days, while B alone can do this work in 16 days and B plus C in 10 days. Find in how many days A plus B can complete the whole work. A plus B plus C can do a work in 6 days. B alone can do a work in 16 days. And B plus C can do a work in 10 days. How many days A plus B can complete the whole work? Here the LCM is 16 into 3, 48 into 5, 240. Here A plus B plus C one day work is plus 40. So B one day work is 15. So B plus C one day work is plus 24. So how many days A plus B can complete the work? Here B efficiency is 15. సో మనం ఇక్కడ 15 రాసాం అనుకోండి, అంటే B plus C 24 అయితే సో C వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 9 యూనిట్స్. ఇక్కడ A plus B plus C 40 యూనిట్స్ అయితే సో C వాల్యూ ఎంత? 9 యూనిట్స్. అంటే A plus B is 31 units. So A plus B efficiency is 31. So total work is 240 by 31. 240 by 31 days. A man has 3 sons and the first one and second one can complete a work in 24 days and 36 days respectively. In how many days the third son will complete the whole work alone? If the man could alone complete the whole work in 3 by 11 days, the man can do double the work in same time, in which all his sons together can complete the work. The first son A So complete the work in 24 days. Second son B complete the work in 36 days. So man can complete the man alone could alone complete the work in 3 by 11, 33 plus 3, 36 by 11 days. Here the LCM is LCM of 24, 36 and 36. So LCM is 72. Sir, A one day work is plus 3, B one day work is plus 2, C one day work is 72 by 36 by 11. So cancel 2 times, 2 into 11, 22 units. So man could double the work in same time in which all his sons together. Ante man can do the double work. His sons A plus B plus C together complete the work. అంటే ఏ మ్యాన్ 22 ఎఫిషియన్సీ అయితే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ అనేది ఆఫ్ మెన్ అంటే ఫాదర్ కన్నా ఆఫ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక 22 అయితే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఎంత 11. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఎఫిషియన్సీ, ఏ ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇస్ 3, బి ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇస్ 2, ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇస్ 5, then C efficiency is 6. The third son efficiency is 6. So third son can complete the work in total work is 72 by 6. So value is 2 days, so 12 days. So one man plus 3 women plus 4 child can complete a work in 96 hours, while 2 men plus 8 children can complete the same work in 80 hours, while 2 men plus 3 women can complete the same work in 120 hours. Then find 5 men plus 16 children can do the same work in how much time? So 1 man plus 3 women plus 4 children can complete the work in 96 hours. So 2 men plus 8 children can complete the work in 80 hours. 2 men plus 3 women can complete the work in 120 hours. So మనం 90 LCM of 96, 80 and 120 calculate చేయాలి. So this LCM is, this value is 32 into 3. So 2 power 5 into 3, 16 into 5. So this value is 4 into 3 into 10, 3 into 5. So value is 2 power 5 into 3 into 5. So 32 into 396 into 5. So value is 480. So LCM is 480. 480. So 1 man plus 3 women plus 4 children. 1 day work is plus 5. So 2 men plus 8 children. 1 day work is plus 6. So here 1 day work is plus 4. So here 2 men plus 8 children. So 2 men plus 8 children is equal to 6 units. అయితే 1 woman plus 4 children and 2 కామన్ తీస్తాం అనుకోండి 3. సో 2 కామన్ తీస్తే 2 క్యాన్సిల్ 2 times. సో 1 man plus 4 children is 3 units. So here 1 man plus 4 children, so value is 3 units. అయితే 3 women's, so 3 women efficiency is 2 units. So here 3 women efficiency is 2 units అయితే, so సో 2 men యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ 2 యూనిట్స్. సో 2 men ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ 2 యూనిట్స్ అంటే 1 man యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ 1. సో 1 man యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ 1 అయితే సో 2 men యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ 2 అయితే 8 children యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ 4. సో టోటల్ 6 కాబట్టి సో 8 children యొక్క ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ 4. సో 8 children ఎఫిషియన్సీ 4 అయితే సో 1 children ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ 1/2. సో ఫైండ్ 5 men and 16 children. సో 5 men plus 16 children. సో men efficiency is 1, 5 plus 16 into children efficiency is 1/2. So 8. The total 13. The total work is 480. So 480 by 13. So value is 36, 12 by 13 days. So A is 40% more efficient than B. They together complete the whole work in 15 days. In how much time they alone do the work? So A can do a work in 5 days. So B can do the work in 6 days. So here the LCM is 30. So here A 1 day work is 6. Here B 1 day work is 5. See the time is in the ratio of 5:6 అంటే A 5 days B 6 daysలో వర్క్ చేస్తే టైం రేషియో ఎంత 5:6. అయితే ది ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈజ్ 6:5 అంటే టైం అనేది 5:6 రేషియోలో ఉంటే ఎఫిషియన్సీ అనేది ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ అంటే 6:5 రేషియోలో ఉంటుంది. సో ఏ ఈజ్ 40% మోర్ ఎఫిషియెంట్ దాన్ బి అంటే నేను బి అనేది 100% తీసుకుంటే ఏ అనేది 40% మోర్ అంటే 40 more than 100 అంటే ఏ ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈజ్ 140. సో 0 0 క్యాన్సిల్ 7:5. సో ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ A and B is 7:5. They together complete the whole work in 15 days. అంటే A efficiency 7, B efficiency 5. సో టోటల్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఎంత 12 యూనిట్స్. సో టోటల్ వర్క్ ఎంత అవుతుంది సో ఇద్దరు కలిసి 15 డేస్లో కంప్లీట్ చేశారు. టోటల్ వర్క్ 12 into 15 అంటే టోటల్ ఎంత 180. టోటల్ వర్క్ 180. A efficiency is 7 అంటే A complete the work in 180 by 7 days. So B efficiency is 5. So total work is 180. So 180 by 5. So value is 36 days. So A is 50% more efficient than B. Then in how much time they together complete the whole work? If A alone complete the whole work in 25 days. Sir, A, B. So A is 50% more efficient than B. So B 100 అని తీసుకుంటే so A is 50% of 100. So value is 50. 100 plus 50, so 150. So efficiency is 0 0 cancelled, 3:2. 3:2. So if A alone complete the whole work in 25 days, A efficiency is 3. So total work is A efficiency is 3. So work for 25 days అంటే total work is 3 into 25. So value is 75. So how much time they together complete the work? So total work is 75. A plus B efficiency is 3 plus 2 5. So 75 by 5. So 15 days.